And today, hi guys, how are you doing? It's Leandro and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna do a curl session. So I'm gonna curl my hair and we are gonna have a little discussion. And you guys know I love Discover TréLuxe, so these are the products that I'm going to be using. Well, this is the product that I'm going to be using, the 4-in-1 hydrating cream. I love it. I love the entire line, and you guys know why, because I had my best ever heatless perm rod set with the brand. First best ever since returning natural. So this is what we're going to use today because it's reliable, and of course Discover TréLuxe is sponsoring this video. They wanted to do something to help encourage you guys and build you up in this trying time. I feel like this is great because the natural hair community does have roots in just building each other up and growing and helping us navigate various challenges in our lives, typically with social and economic issues within our community. We do have a pandemic that is currently affecting us socially, economically, medically. So hopefully we can have a good discussion about what's going on and encourage each other moving forward. Today, I have energy. Yesterday, I did not have energy. I came home from work, I was making masks and I was tired. I was curling my hair, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what I did. Today, we're gonna do more of the chit chat and styling of my hair after removing the rollers. Okay guys, what time is it? It's almost 10 o'clock. Okay. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow and I need to trim my hair. So I do have my hair in African hair threading, guys. I did wash my hair last night and I blow dried it, and now we're going to put some curls in it. This is typically how my life goes with filming. I'm so busy with work that when I come home, I'm usually tired. Right now, I'm actually making masks. So I have been making masks for myself, also for others and for donating. There is one healthcare facility that needs masks now. So this is my hair. Obviously, I don't have school anymore because of the virus, and I'm not sure what they're going to do about our scheduling. They emailed us and said we were gonna have online classes so we can finish, but I don't know. We're gonna do large sections as I trim this time. I kind of want to get in the habit of trimming slightly larger sections. I just kind of trim. That's a little bit more than a centimeter, but that's fine. As long as I don't have single strand knots left behind or anything like that, I'm good. My hair reaches like my armpits in the front, which is something that never used to happen before. I have suffered listening to what other people have to say and doing things the way other people do things. Not that I'm trying to discredit how anyone does their routine. Sometimes you just need to listen to your own hair. I never listened to my hair. I thought other people were correct, and I lost a lot of hair and I lost a lot of thickness. So it's almost coming back. I think by the end of the year it's gonna be like nothing happened. These are my old curl formers, and these are the ones that I bought to supplement my old ones so I could do this tutorial. And I was supposed to do this last fall or late last summer. I can't even remember. We are going to use TréLuxe. This is the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream. I love it so much. I love all of their products, to be honest, because when I first used their products, I did my first epic perm rod set ever and I just fell in love. So we are going to do curl formers this time. This is like the glam kit. I got it because it's like purple, super cute. These are the corkscrew ones. They're the tiniest ones. And we're gonna do that curl formers hack that I showed you guys last year. Make some magic happen. I have a total of 60 curl formers, and they better all fit in my hair. And you guys know I gave up nails for the Rona, and I gave up quite a few things. So basically my routine has remained the same because my schedule is pretty much the same. I don't get to quarantine. I don't get to, just a small amount. This is too much. Just a small amount is enough. I don't get to quarantine. I don't get to isolate. We do have a shelter in place order now, and it's been like this since the 20th of March. So basically stay home unless you really have to go out. Hook and push up and pull through slowly and fix it a little bit and get the end around my finger and just start wrapping around. I don't know how long these are. And then push it through. There's our little roller dangling. Okay guys, change of plans. I made a mistake. These things are so difficult to wrap around. The spiral ones definitely win as far as curl formers go when doing the wraparound and going up method. I'm not gonna do this on a whole head. I'm gonna have a sore sprained finger, so we're not gonna do this. I'm gonna do perm rods instead. They're gonna take no time at all, and I'm gonna double up two of, well, I mean, I have a little bit of a curl. Okay. Oh, look at that. This perm rod is a longer perm rod, so I can wrap two sections on one perm rod, and I don't have to have too many in my hair. It's gonna save space, and I'm going to sleep comfortably. Basically, I put some product on the first section of hair, wrap that around the roller, and then hold the ends with one hand while I apply product on the other section of hair, then wrap that around the roller as well. I am adding some edge control on the ends to make it easier to smooth it, and it's not gonna unravel overnight. Snap the roller closed. Moving right along, guys, I'm just going to continue on the left side, then I'll move to the right side. And this is basically why I love perm rods. They don't take long. Now that that's out of the way, guys, usually I just kind of do whatever with my hair. Even now, with everything being off balance, I kind of do whatever with my hair because I'm still going to work. I'm still doing most of the same things, but my natural hair routine is relatively simple. So yeah. All right, so let's talk about this 4-in-1 cream briefly, quickly. I already discussed it with you guys in a previous video, and I'm gonna link it down below, but I really have to say this because it's something I didn't really get into in the past, and I think it's very important. When you look at the ingredients, you will notice that you don't have glycerin at the top of the ingredients list like most companies will have when they have a softening product. It is really hard to unravel a roller. Look, oh, it is clean still. Discover TréLuxe does not disappoint in that area. Perm rod, spoolies, whatever I do with this product line, I never, ever have hair on my rollers. It doesn't have glycerin all the way up there, and that's a good thing because glycerin can give you this false sense of security. I like glycerin in moderation, but it can make you feel like your hair is super, super, super moisturized even when it's not. To be honest, I don't know how they do it. I do not know how they do it, but I do know that I'm gonna have to stock up because look at that. This one is almost empty. This is like my last Discover TréLuxe product right now, so I'm gonna have to buy some more at some point. I need to look at my calendar because like literally everything I buy is on a schedule. Right now at Walgreens, they do have a buy two get one free sale until the 25th of April. So if you are interested in purchasing products from Discover TréLuxe, now would be the time, only if you're going to the store for some essentials or medication, things you actually need, then you could, you know, go and check out the hair products. Otherwise, please don't. Just for hair products, don't go to the store. Like, we don't want you, and by we I mean me and the brand. Let's look at the curls. I'm more than likely gonna buy some shampoo online because they have the best shampoo ever. Like, out of all the products, out of this product line, I love their shampoo. And I said it before, like I've said it quite a few times, shampoo definitely is the basis, the foundation, the rock. A good shampoo makes all the difference, guys. If you suffer from dryness like I do, I would definitely recommend the shampoo by Discover TréLuxe. It's the best I've ever tried. And I think I'll just go ahead and link like different products down below so you can see what their product line is all about. And I may actually purchase their gel because I am curious to know what it's like. It makes me nervous because I don't really like gel that much. And basically anything I buy, you're gonna see again in a future video when we're all allowed to leave the house. Well, some of us already have to leave the house because I have to work every day because technically I'm essential. I am thankful and I'm privileged and I'm blessed to have a job, but sometimes it does scare me, guys. It really does, because I have to protect myself. I have to protect other people. I feel like if you know what to do, you should do the right thing, and maybe you can influence people to do the right thing also. It does give me comfort. Making the masks is therapeutic because I haven't sewn anything in a while. We're getting some volume. It's something to do, it's something enjoyable. I feel like I'm participating in something greater. And you know, we have the Million Masks Challenge, so you know, I have to contribute to the challenge. It's great to see so many crafters come together and do something good. And I'm actually making proper use of the fabric that I have, that I've been hoarding. So I'm probably gonna have to tie my hair up anyway. That's what sucks. So enjoy the curls. Enjoy them while they last, because it's gonna get tied up. When I noticed that there were issues in China and it was affecting packages coming, that's when I started to get concerned, and that's when I started becoming low-key paranoid, because it's something that I kind of have seen before. I come from a country where outbreaks have happened, cholera outbreaks specifically, and those were scary because cholera will take you out, guys. Now that it's here, I do worry a lot about friends and family who are in, why is this angle so amazing on my curls? Friends and family who are in healthcare, who are essentials, truck drivers and manufacturers and stuff, who are doing certain things that we just kind of need them to do. I do worry about them a lot. Look at that volume. I'm gonna tie my hair up, but for you guys, I'm gonna let you see it down. So we're not done yet. We've got some fluffing to do. This side looks better than this side. Just thinking about the impact is kind of scary. And then when you think about it from a clinical setting, you've got all of these pop-up stories about using certain medications like chloroquine and the derivative hydrochloroquine. I did contract malaria when I was a kid, and they prescribed chloroquine. Most people are not talking about chloroquine. They're talking about the derivative hydrochloroquine, but there are some people who have been treated with chloroquine during this pandemic. And I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, that is a powerful medication. You don't know if it's the medication or if it's the disease that's taking you out. Like, it was crazy. Like, being sick with malaria is no joke at all. I don't wish it on my worst enemy. That is a whole story by itself. So I was a little bit concerned because of the side effects of the medication, and in Sweden they stopped administering it because people were literally experiencing loss of vision, heart problems, blood pressure problems. I mean, they're good when they're really needed, but you could really mess people up, especially because a lot of people in this country do have heart problems, and it does cause arrhythmia, I think. Yeah, and drops your blood pressure. That's not good because a lot of people are on blood pressure meds. So I was like, I don't know about that. I'll let the professionals do what they do, but it is a scary thought, and it just kind of reminds me of the whole panic shopping issue that we had when the president declared a state of emergency. People were panic shopping. They took everything off the shelves, and now you have doctors panic shopping for meds. Like, this is insane. The outlook for the disease is most people are going to be okay. We just kind of want to limit the deaths because it kind of stunned us with this audacity, you know what I mean? And I feel like the scramble for drugs and hitting up all the pharmacies, cleaning them out with fraudulent prescriptions, that's kind of messed up. The doctors were trying to buy the prescriptions for themselves and their family members, and then we don't know if it works well or not, or if these people were just getting better because they were getting better, because most people are going to get better. But what makes it really, really bad and really, really sad and upsetting to me is that there are so many people who need hydrochloroquine for lupus and rheumatoid arthritis and other ailments, and those people are not getting the medication they need. There's a shortage, and it's like they need it like now. You know, you're hoarding medication for the future and it may not even be effective. So that's, I understand. I completely understand. I completely understand when fear takes over. You start buying stuff you don't need. You start buying stuff to safeguard yourself for the future. You want your family to be safe. I understand where the doctors are coming from. I understand where people are coming from when they want to panic shop. But we have to have faith and we have to trust that things will get better if we do implement proper practices. Because I know there's so much news out there and it's very easy to get consumed by it. Like, seriously guys, if it's affecting you, turn off the news. You have every right to feel how you want to feel about what's going on right now. Oh, by the way, did I mention that it's raining? So this is not gonna be beautiful for long, unfortunately. Typically I'm like 3 or 4 days in before my hair starts to look crazy and poofy, but it's still kind of cute. It is challenging just knowing that so many Black people are disproportionately affected by this. It is scary, and that's why we have to be vigilant, especially us. I'm not trying to make anyone feel left out, but the statistics are in and Black people are more likely to die. We need to take care of ourselves, our families, and our communities just a little bit more, because we have the information and knowledge is power, and we need to be vigilant about boundaries. We need to be vigilant about cleanliness. We need to be vigilant about everything across the board, because we're out of luck. This is a bigger battle for us and it's a tougher mountain for us to climb. I don't like having to be strong, but this is just one of those times when we're just gonna have to be strong. In all seriousness, guys, feel free to sound off in the comments. Tell us what challenges you're facing. I know everybody's going through something different, especially with the housing market, stimulus checks, people not working. It's very, very challenging. It's a trying time. It's hard. It's just hard, okay? I know life is difficult, but you never know who you could be helping in the comment section. So if you are willing to share, definitely share. If you do have concerns, definitely share those down and we can encourage each other and we can be prayerful, because this is not the end. Also, I'd like to say a huge thank you to Discover TréLuxe for sponsoring this video. This is a difficult topic to discuss, but I do appreciate it when sponsors want to communicate and want to reach their fan base and want to reach people and do good, because we need this. Anything you want to see in the future, definitely let me know that as well. I have some stuff planned, so it's going to be really, 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 really fun. And you already know what I want you to do, and that is to take good care of yourselves and your families. And I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.